ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Jai Shri Krishna. Excellent information about Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Krishna was born 5252 years ago. Date of birth 18th July 3228 BC. Month Shravana. Day Ashtami. Paksha Krishna. Nakshatra Rohini. Day Wednesday. Time early morning 12:05 am. Sri Krishna lived 125 years, 8 months and 7 days. Date of Krishna's death 18th February 3102 BC. When Krishna was 89 years old, the mega Kurukshetra war took place. He died 36 years after the Kurukshetra war. Kurukshetra war was started on Margashira Shukla Ekadashi BC 3139, that is 8th December 3139 BC, and ended on 25th December 3139 BC. There was a solar eclipse between 3 pm to 5 pm on 21st December 3139 BC, cause of Jayadratha's death. Bhishmacharya died on 2nd February, that is 1st Ekadashi of Uttarayana in 3138 BC. Krishna is worshipped as Krishna Kanhaiya in Mathura, Jagannath in Odisha, Vithoba in Maharashtra, Srinath in Rajasthan, Dwarakadhish in Gujarat, Ranchod in Gujarat, Krishna in Karnataka, Guruvayurappan in Kerala. Krishna's father is Vasudeva, mother Devaki. Adopted father Nanda, adopted mother Yashoda. Elder brother Balarama, sister Subhadra. Birthplace Mathura. Wives Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambavati, Kalindi, Mitra Vrunda, Nagnajiti, Bhadra, Lakshmana. Throughout life, Krishna is reported to have killed only 4 peoples in his lifetime. Chanura, the wrestler, Kamsa, his maternal uncle, Shishupala, and Dantavakra, his cousins. Life was not fair to him at all. He was born dark-skinned. He was not named at all throughout his life. The whole village of Gokul started calling him the Black One, Kanha. He was ridiculed and teased for being black, and adopted too. His childhood was wrought with life-threatening situations. Drought and threat of wild wolves made him shift from Gokul to Vrindavan at the age of 9. He stayed in Vrindavan till 10 years and 8 months. He killed his own uncle at the age of 10 years and 8 months at Mathura. He then released his mother and father. He never returned to Vrindavan ever again. He had to migrate to Dwarka from Mathura due to the threat of Sindhu king Kalayavana. He defeated Jarasandha with the help of Vainatheya tribes on Gomantaka hill, now known as Goa. He rebuilt Dwarka. He then left to Sandipini's ashram in Ujjain to start his schooling at the age of 16 to 18. He had to fight the pirates from Africa and rescue his teacher's son, Punaradatta, who was kidnapped near Prabhasa, a seaport near Gujarat. After his education, he came to know about his cousin's fate of Vanavasa, that is, about Pandavas. He came to the rescue in Wax House, and later his cousins got married to Draupadi. His role was immense in this saga. Krishna then helped his cousins to establish Indraprastha and their kingdom. Krishna saved Draupadi from embarrassment. Krishna stood by his cousins during their exile. He stood by them and made them to win the Kurukshetra war. He saw the cherished city Dwarka washed away. He was killed by a hunter, Jara by name, in the nearby forest. He never did any miracles. His life was not a successful one. There was not a single moment when he was at peace throughout his life. At every turn, he had challenges and even more bigger challenges. He faced everything and everyone with a sense of responsibility and yet remained unattached. He is the only person who knew the past and the future, yet he lived at that present moment always. He and his life is truly an example for each and even human being. Jai Shri Krishna.